Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Winston, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today we're going to talk about campaign 24. That means 24, 25, and 26, and possibly one, and it's Christmas. So free, possibly for Avon shopping days till Christmas. So, and also if you wanted something from campaign 23 or 22, you can still get those. You can also order those from my e-store as well. And also to remind you, we can back order from 22 and 23. Some fun little things. Our little snowmen. There's 3 of them. And they light up and they can be used on your outside or inside. And if you use it inside, they just sit and they have a little stake that you can use if they're outside. $24.99, I think it is for all of them. And then if you see, I couldn't figure out how to show you the angel. So it's up really close to the camera so that you can see it. And it is like a snow globe and fiber optics all in one. So you get to see the side view of it. It's really neat. And you know me, I always have to tell you about something with skincare. And so I'm going to tell you about my unadvertised special. It's going on through campaign 24. And it is all of these products, full size. The Ultimate Supreme, which has the black pearl, the vitamin C, the Skin So Soft, bath oil, Haiku Far Away, and Rare Pearls Perfume. Valued at $169, you get it all for $50. But it's just through me personally. It cannot be ordered from my e-store. So let me know if you'd like to order those. What a great way to get a lot of Christmas presents and not spend a whole lot of money. And Herbie the Hedgehog, I'm still raising funds for that, for the homeless children here in the area. So if you would like to be a blessing and help out on that, they are also, besides the Herbie the Hedgehog, they will get a shower gel, a hand cream, and a lip balm, and a really nice homemade tooth that one of my dear friends are making for me. So if you'd like to be part of that blessing, let me know and how much. Any kind of dollar amount is appreciated. And some things so I don't forget to show you. I am wearing today this fun little bracelet. It has a snowman, mittens, and a snowflake on it. And it comes in gold. And we also have the Nutcracker one that comes in gold. And it's one that just peels up, it opens up right here, so it's easy on and off. Right there. And then we also have in silver an angel and a Santa, and they're $7.99 a piece. And I am wearing one of the rings since I thought it would kind of look nice. I'm wearing my husband's birthstone ring because we can have family rings, mother rings, however you want, because they're stackable. The ring, and they're sterling silver, beautiful, $24.99. And I just think and some more jewelry. We have a collectible pin every year, and this is the tree one, and there are red and green stones in it, as well as some hematite ones. So it really just pops. And one of my customers, when she saw it, she put it on her wish list and decided she was just going to order for herself because she wants it sooner than later. And another one we have is a wreath with pearls and leaves, and the detail is really nice on that one as well. Not quite as intense as the tree, but really nice. And then we have some fun little card jewelry, and like this snowman, it's a necklace around it, and on Santa, it's the earrings, or not earrings, earrings, stud earrings. And they're $5.99. We have a bunch of different ones on that as well. Haiku perfume, we've had that one around for a while, but look at this gorgeous box that it comes in even, $20. And it's just a limited time edition. And if you tried our new velvet perfume, we now have It's a little spray one. It comes with this little cute little velvet pouch. It's on introductory prices for $8. So it's a great way to get just a nice little gift too. And that's what's kind of neat this year. We have a lot of daily needs kind of products that are under $10. So yes, kind of get some wonderful things. Ornaments that have bubble bath in them. And coconut lime is the green, the sweet almond is the blue, and kiwi and mango is the red. And they're $5.99 a piece. And cranberry and cinnamon, what a great way to make the place smell great for the holidays. And I use them as room sprays too. But you can buy the shower gel, the body lotion, and the body spray, all three for $10.99, or you can get them separate. And I've got it too close to me. Kids line. If you haven't tried the kids line, this is a fun one. We have a couple different smells for this, and it's a foam. And it's a really nice moisturizing foam. And there's all kinds of things that innate last. And great way to, I like this one for when I get during the night to go bathroom so I don't put water on. I can just do that, wash my hands. So it's kind of like a nice hands cleanser too. And then we have this fun lines, the Holiday Berry Kiss with all these different things in it, and the Frosted Citrus Bouquet, and the Gingerbread Cappuccino. Okay, you can't see these different things. But body creams, and body scrubs, and shower gels, and body mist. They're like $5.99, $6.99 a piece. So great present for that. Avon listened. We wanted different of our old-time fragrances brought back. They brought back Topaz. And so if you're looking for a different one of your older fragrances, this is the kind of bottles that they're in. And they are $8.99. Hi, Veronica. Thanks for joining. This is one I think is kind of a fun. This is one I think is for all ages, because little girls love to make up too. So they can have their own little lipsticks. It comes with this cool little tin, and it says Avon Mistletoe Minis, but it has all these little 60 mini lipsticks in there. And these are great also for your coin purses and your purse to carry on, so you always have some kind of lipstick with you. But wouldn't that be fun in a little girl's stocking, so that she can have, because they'll use them up a lot. Hand creams. We also have all the little hand creams for Christmas, and you can buy these separately, or they have like gift sets where you can get like a couple hand creams and a couple lip balms for like $7. And then we also have emery boards, and we have 3 different ones, and they're $1.29 a piece. On the front cover, if you haven't checked this out, I just love all these cool, iconic ones. Vintage stuff is really coming back, and a nice red for Christmas. And the boxes that they come in are really cool too. $6.99. If you want something really easy in your purse, that does for your lips and your cheeks. So if you need to get kind of shallow looking, this is a neat way to add some color to your day. Comes in a peachy or a pink for $4.99. And we don't want to forget our guys. So we have a Doppler bag with aftershave conditioner, the Afro Cologne, and their hair and body wash. All of it for $18. And remember, when you're doing your shopping, if you have people from far and away, you can actually order on your my e-store or your representative's e-store, and change the ship to address to theirs, and then put a gift message in. So it's a great way to do that. Some really fun colors, some deeper colors on this one. It's 4 eyeshadows at the top, 2 blushes at the bottom in this gorgeous case with a mirror. It's like $9.99. Or if you want a bigger set, this is a fun one. It's like a library books. Books are coming back. I like books. I have a lot of them. I've started all kinds of ones I'm reading. But it has eyeshadows, 12 in each of those, and blushes, 4 of those, for like $24.99 for all of them. And what's kind of cool is, if you didn't notice this, we have this new holiday cheer candle that also comes in a scented ornament. These are great for room fresheners or in your car. And these are the 3 wick ones. We have like 12 different smells for Christmas candles. And what's kind of neat is we have little 12 Days of Christmas little pull-outs, and they have tea lights of those candle smells. And if you're wanting to have like a daily needs kind of one of that, we also have that, and it comes in this fun little house looking one, and there's all these different products in there. And what's kind of cool is $45 for all of it. If you would be buying all these different little products to put in it yourself and do it, $82. So that is, I think, a fantastic deal. I always end up missing something. Oh, lip balms. We also have the lip balms. Oh, yeah, I love this church. It's one that you can, it can be just lit up. Isn't those lights just really cool? Or play music too. And the bell, the Christmas church bell rings. And they're $29.99. And remember, we always have on the back of every brochure our awesome A-boxes. And this one has earrings in it, and a blush stick, and dual eyeshadow, and nail polish. And you get 2 pairs of stud earrings in it for $10 when you have a $40 purchase. So thanks much for watching. I think I got everything. Faith wants an independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And that angel that you've been watching, it is $29.99. Thanks much.